Assalamu alaikum students, hope you will be fine and enjoying good health. Welcome to online class of English B. Here today we are going to learn about adverbs essentials. In this section you will learn about the words that say more about verbs. These words are called adverbs. So we know that adverbs tell us about verbs. Adverbs tell us how long, how often, when and where things happen. Here are some examples of adverbs. Then always answer politely. Always and politely are adverbs. Always tells how long and politely how. Bob lost his race yesterday. Yesterday is also adverb. It tells about when. He usually wins. Usually is adverb. It tells how often. The boys are somewhere in the park, and somewhere tells that where they are. It is also an adverb. Adverb can also be used to ask questions. For example, how, when, where and why. Here are a few examples. How are you? Where did you come from? Why have you come? When will you go? An adverb phrase is a group of words that does the same work as an adverb. Adverbial are the parts of a sentence that express how, when, where and why things are happening. Let's read the types of adverbs. Adverbs of manner. Adverbs of manner tell you how something is happening. He shouted loudly. She spoke slowly. Many adverbs of manner are formed by adding ly to an adjective. For example, from slow to slowly, lazy to lazily, heavy to heavily, silent to silently, happy to happily, and angry to angrily. These are the adverbs of manner. The adverbial phrases can tell you how something is happening. For example, in a loud voice, with a smile, without looking, in an angry voice. Another type of adverbs is adverbs of time. Adverbs of time tell you when things are happening, how long or how often. They tell about the time. Yesterday, tomorrow, sometimes, now, forever, frequently. Here these are the adverbs of time. Sometimes there is another type of adverb is mentioned, and forever and frequently come under adverbs of frequency. But here they have mentioned under the adverbs of time. An adverbial phrase can tell you when something is happening, how often or how long, on Friday, after school, before nightfall, every morning, for 10 minutes. This is the example of adverbial phrases. Adverbs of place. Adverbs of place tell where things are happening, here, there, somewhere, away, nowhere and around. These are adverbs of place. An adverbial phrase can tell you where something is happening, in the park, at school, over the house, behind the door, on the table. Adverbs can modify or intensify adjectives and other adverbs. Very clever, extremely fast, quite late, fairly tall, here, very, extremely, quite. These are also adverbs. Let's move towards the exercises. The first exercise is adverbs tell us how something is happening. They are related to adverb of manner. Circle the adverbs in these sentences. Please exit the room quickly and quietly. Here quickly and quietly are adverbs. I can run well and I line up eagerly for the first race. Well and eagerly are adverbs of manner. Unfortunately, I fell over and hit the ground hard. Here unfortunately and hard are adverbs. The old man drives carefully but slowly. Carefully and slowly are adverbs. The sun was shining brightly and the wind was blowing gently. Brightly and gently both are adverbs. The farmer looked anxiously at the steadily gathering storm clouds. Here steadily and anxiously are both adverbs. Exercise 2 is adverbs tell us when, how often and how long something is happening. Circle the adverbs in these sentences. Our class is going to the science museum tomorrow. Here tomorrow is adverb Mom often says that nothing lasts forever. Often and forever. Both are adverbs. You go now and I will join you later. Now and later are adverbs. Yesterday I went to visit my cousin in hospital. Here yesterday is adverb. Jane and I usually go to beach for our summer holiday. Here usually is adverb. You are always late. Sid. Here always is adverb. Try to be early in future. The teacher warned. Early is also adverb in this sentence. The next exercise is adverbs tell us where something is happening. Circle the adverbs in these sentences. Here we have to find adverbs of place. Jackson was first in the line and I was next. Here first and next are adverbs. Ben looked here, there and everywhere for his lost ball. Here, there, everywhere. These are three adverbs. Come and sit here beside me, Angus. Here is adverb. Jack fell down and Jill came trembling after. Here down and after are adverbs. Sam's birds flew away and he couldn't find it anywhere. Here away and anywhere. These are adverbs. The remote control helicopter moved up, down and sideways. Here up, down and sideways are adverbs. Solve exercise 1. You will have to find the verb and ask how. And to solve exercise 2, you will have to find out the verb and then ask how long, how often or when. To solve exercise 3, you have to find out the verb and then ask where, and then you will be able to find out the adverb of place. Now the last exercise on this page is write a sentence for each of the adverbs below. Soon, homewards, impatiently, once, for. Soon, it will rain soon. Homewards, students moved homewards cheerfully. Impatiently, I am impatiently waiting for Eid. Once, I will repeat the answer once. For, don't go for, Mom said. You can also make sentences of your own choice with the given adverbs. If you want to write the same ones, it's up to you. Now complete these exercises on page number 71 and learn them. Thank you for listening. Allah Hafiz.